What is a spray foam roof? It is an advanced closed-cell foam made to custom fit any roof. Skilled applicators manufacture the foam using specialized equipment. The equipment is highly technical, maintaining specific temperatures and pressures. The foam is spray applied directly to the roof, creating a fully adhered, insulating, and monolithic water barrier. Ultraviolet light from the sun is damaging to the foam, so a protective covering is used to prevent long-term UV resistance. Acceptable SPF roof coverings are coatings or a combination of crushed gravel and coating. Spray foam roofing systems have been applied successfully for over 40 years. Discover many more SPF roof benefits using the links below.